In this video, we're going to talk about how to use Google Gemini for free to summarize your emails, your video files, your PDFs, your folders, everything. Google Gemini can really become your productivity workhorse. All right, before we jump into it, make sure you like and share so more people can see this video. So number one, I am using Google Chrome, and you can see right here, I'm signed into my Google Gemini account. I am a free user. I'm not using the paid. You can see I need to upgrade. Let me show you some of the cool things you can do with Google Gemini. So one of the really awesome things is, let's say you're reading emails and you have an email that's too long, especially email newsletters. So this goes on and on. What you can do is bring up the Google Gemini and then you can just prompt. So for example, one of the things you can do is summarize this email, and now it's going to create a summary of this email for you. Unbelievable, right? And let me actually bring it back up because I want to show you. You can also reply, like draft replies. You can search through your emails. I can also do actions on this. So for example, I can say, convert this email into a Facebook post for me. And now it will convert that and into a Facebook post. Look at this. So I can post this on my Facebook, and then there are more actions you can do. So if you have long emails, threads, Gemini can act as your email assistant, right? That's number one. Number two, and this is super, super powerful. It also integrates with your Drive. So drive.google.com, I'm in my Drive. And this use case is super powerful. Actually, it's one of my favorites. And you can see Gemini is here. It's sitting in the corner. And let's say, if you're thinking of here's a video, right? It can create summary of your video. So this video is about Lindy AI, an AI tool that automates tasks like sales partnerships and content creation. So Gemini not only summarizing my emails, it's also summarizing my videos. So this is super powerful because for us who work in social media, a lot of time we have video content for us or for clients that we need to turn into social media posts. So now put that video in your Google Drive and let Gemini do the magic. So I'm gonna say, create a Facebook post for this video. And then it is gonna take that and look at this. It's gonna create a Facebook post for me without having to watch the video. This saves us so much time because we used to get hundreds of videos from different clients. We had to watch them, then write posts, captions and everything. And now we just throw them into Google Drive and Gemini will do the magic. All right, number three, it also summarizes your PDF files. And again, it is integrated into Google Drive. So basically it integrates with your Gmail, with your Google Drive on Google Chrome. So you're staying in the Google ecosystem. So I'm gonna show you, here's a PDF file sitting in my Google Drive. Same thing here, Gemini automatically, it is summarizing that PDF file. It's actually a carousel post. And I can do the same thing. I can list the main points. I can summarize the takeaways. I can also create an Instagram caption. So create an Instagram caption for this post. And now look at this. It is creating an Instagram caption for me. Unbelievable. So Google has really created an amazing ecosystem with Gemini. You can summarize emails and actually talk to your email, not just a summary. You can also draft email responses. Number two, you can summarize, you can talk to your video files, you can summarize, you can convert those into blog articles, even captions, posts, and then same with PDFs. And also, if you are in a folder, it will summarize the folder for you inside your Google Drive. So unbelievable. Any questions? Let me know before you go. Like and share so more people can see this. And now I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.